Man, we here pulling up at Cedar Grove Middle School here in DeKalb County. Man, about to pour into these kids, man. I found that it's a lot of gun violence, you know what I'm saying, that's been taking place here in the city. So we about to pull up to the school, man, talk to these kids, love on them, encourage them, let them know the greatness that's inside them and the importance of making wise choices, responsible decision making, and really valuing education. Let's get it.
You're welcome.
How are you? Wow. Oh my goodness. What are you doing here? It has been so long. Cedar Grove Middle School, make some noise! I don't want you to get caught up in the prison pipeline. Do you realize that they look at your reading scores to see where you are academically and realize, okay, he probably on the verge of dropping out, and they realize that 78% of the kids that end up dropping out end up going to prison, and now we can make more money the more that they... Do you know that people will profit off of your demise? Do you know that people look at your skin tone and look at where you live and look at your test scores and realize like, oh, they don't really value school. Oh, they don't really value education. You know what? Let's invest in more private prisons so that when they do get locked up and follow the path of their uncle and their daddy and their family members, we make money off of their demise, not on my watch. Are y'all hearing me? That's why I told you I didn't come to motivate you. I'm trying to save somebody's life. I'm trying to break some chains. Do you know what kind of legacy comes from you? When you look at what's happening in the world, when you look at the challenges and the suffering that our people have endured, our legacy is way more than just what happened in Africa. Our legacy is way more than what happened in slavery. We're not even gonna talk about the kings and rulers and the Mansa Musa and the great wealth we amassed and the kingdoms we built before. We're not even gonna talk about that. Let's just talk about when the evil of this world tried to enslave us. Let's talk about when the evil and the hatred of this world tried to break us down, how we got scraps and we ate that and we took that scrap food and turned it into soul food. Let's talk about that. Let's talk about how they tried to throw everything at us and we still prevailed. Do you know how powerful you are? Do you know how potent you are? Do you know how precious you are? Ain't nothing corny about being smart? Ain't nothing corny about being educated? Man, proud of you, man. Stay the course. Keep honoring your mom. Keep honoring your family. You know what I'm saying? Stay on the straight and narrow. You know what I'm saying? Like, and stay tapped in, bro. And don't follow nobody, bro. You follow the plan that has been placed in your life, and you make your family proud, bro. You know what I'm saying? And you can reverse any curse that's been placed in your family, bro. You can do whatever it is you want to do, bro. You're here for a reason. You'll be connected today for a reason, okay? Proud of you, man. Proud of you. What's up, man?
That type of stuff can be hard.
Oh, yeah? So what?
Mr. Anderson, your speech, your speaking is phenomenal. It was great.
This is a big deal for our kids. Our kids deal with violence through guns and everything else that you can imagine demographically, where they aren't motivated to be their best. What Jeremy did is pour life into our scholars, and that's something that can't be replaced. He's a special, special person. So we thank Jeremy and his team and all of you for being here with us to shed a different light on what our kids see every day.